Do you know that according to Igbo culture and tradition, a woman can marry her fellow woman in Igboland? Well, if you doubt me, watch this video to the end. In some communities like Nnewi, if a husband dies and if it happens that the man didn't have any child, especially male children who can continue his lineage, his brothers can inherit the wife. This is oftentimes called Nkuchi, and bear him a son. But if the woman has gone past her menopause, she can then inform her late husband's brothers about her intention to marry her fellow woman with the main purpose of having children, male kids especially. The woman and her to-be wife will never sleep with each other. She will seek the approval of her late husband's summoner, and if they give her a go-ahead, the marriage will take place. The umunna will be the people to pay the bride price of the incoming wife. The umunna will also give her a go-ahead order and escort her to marry the wife-to-be. Any of her late husband's brother is free to sleep with the new wife if they like. But if they don't have interest in the woman and her new wife, the widow can get a man outside the family to get her pregnant. Nevertheless, the widow is not expected to sleep with the new wife. Doing such is an abomination in Igboland and attracts grave punishment. But the woman can actually marry, but she will not sleep with the new wife. The only purpose of this marriage is to have a male child who will continue the man's lineage. It is still in practice in communities such as in Nnewi today. Finally, no young woman goes to marry fellow young women in Igbo culture. Gay and lesbianism isn't part of our culture as in Igbo. Our culture forbids it. If you have any valuable insights or information about this topic, let us know in the comment section.